Licensed casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win!
And there we go. Shoulders relax, hips relax. And we're gonna start in the mid back. Shoulders relax. Beautiful. Lower back. We're gonna have you on your right side facing knees. Hips relax, just like that. Shoulders relax.
Oh my God.
Right? Some of the knee muscles. Hips relax. Breath in again. Watching out for Nala, there we go. Drop the hips a little bit. Shoulders relaxed.
Oh my God.
Wow, because it's closer to the ears, but it's the same thing. Shoulders relax. You did okay there?
Yeah.
Breathe in. You notice it's tighter there than anyone. You're going to start out with a quad test. So you push up with your left foot. Push up. Does that hurt?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to rest my hand under here to not hyperextend. Bend both knees again. Push up. You saw how that got better? Mm-hmm. Also, which is the hip flexor. Is your tummy full?
No.
Okay, we're going to breathe in nice and deep. Hold your breath. Breathe in, hold it. And we're going to hold your hip flexor like you're contracting it. Breathe in, relax. You're going to set your leg all the way down. Now we're going to lay face. Okay, we're going to check your foot for subluxation. Let your feet relax. There's a little bit of motion there. Relax your foot again. A little bit of motion. Same thing here. Perfect. All the way out. Stop breathing, cut the breath, and relax your leg. Do not help me. I'm holding a counter strain. Just tell me if it's vulnerable.
Yeah, definitely.
We're doing okay?
I mean, it hurts.
So a little bit vulnerable?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll just let it go now. Are we doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. Now we're going to lay face up, please. So the difference, Kelly, between what I'm doing in a massage is that a massage is more general, like, hey, it's tight, let's just rub, right? Mm-hmm. And this is targeting specifically over tightened muscles. Mm-hmm. But before we do that, we're correcting the muscles that aren't firing. Does it hurt a little bit?
On the left is going to be that first adjustment. There you go. That moved really well there. There it was. Then I'm going to let it out. Okay. Give me this in. Turn that around. Good, and just relax. There we go. Actually, that moved quite a bit. Yeah. There we go. One more. Yep, just like that. Good. Good. Okay. And exhale out. Oh. There we go. That cleared out the shoulder. Okay. Good. We're gonna come in. Oh. Good, good. I'm gonna have you drop this shoulder. Good. Good. Distraction here so we can take the pressure off those nerves. So we're gonna get in. We're gonna bring him to tension. Ooh. Boom. And right there. Yeah, I felt that. Right? It opens up the scapula. Gets a lot easier for me to be able to get in here without him fighting me. So we're gonna come in underneath the scapula. As you can tell, I'm gonna take my thumb.
Her SI joints are a little misaligned right here. I did a sacral deviation test on her. Go ahead and lift that right one up again. And you see that one doesn't go very high. Now do the same thing on the left. Versus a lot higher on that side, and this was more difficult for you. Repeat A, L3, and then we'll work all the way up into her lower thoracics. Better shut up. Crack addicts be getting all over me. They like hearing your, let's get your neck here now. See, I'm putting the curve back in your cervical spine, Blake, because yours is flattened out, so we're going to need to put that curve back in there. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please. Perfect. Okay, now put both arms out like this for me. Straight up, palms up. Okay, adjust your shoulders, your clavicles, and then your interior ribs right here. Good. Okay, now just relax your hands on your tummy. Let me have this right leg. There you go. Now you should have felt that for me, Neil. Here's your right shoulder. You hear that over there? Left shoulder.
That's from playing tennis, my bracelets against my wrist.
Oh, yeah. All right. Good. Let's come over here. So I'm going to get these pins in here nice and tight. There we go. There we begin with. So. Good. Just breathe through your nose for me. Oh yeah. All right.
Bring this up a little bit. You tell me if you have any pain. A little bit inside there. If I bring it out and up. A little bit. Right inside there. Okay, I'm adjust right in these joints right inside of here. And I just need you to relax a little bit. You're going to feel the table drop like that. Okay. All right? Just drop. Okay. Just relax in the hip. And adjust the hip joints. Okay. The right side. Okay. And the sacrum. Okay. And then adjust. Breathe in for me really deep. And all the way out. Let it go. Good. Perfect. You feel that inside there? That was great. You come a little closer right here. Breathe in one more time. In. And out. Good. Good. Bring it a little closer. I'm going to adjust this lower back. All right. This is where you have a lot of tightness right inside there. Okay. And just relax here. Here we go. Excellent. Let's go on the other side. There. Breathe in for me really deep. And out all the way. Good. Perfect. When you come lay down right on your back. And just relax. I'm going to lean your head to the side just a bit. Just like that. Okay? Good. And I'm going to turn a little bit. Good. And then I want you to relax right there. Good. Just like that. Good. It wasn't too bad. Alright? I'm going to do one more. Right? You can come on this side. Okay? Good. I'm going to come right inside this area. Going to stretch a bit and relax more. Here we go. Here we go. A little bit more. Good. Just like that. We're going to do this one also. Good. We'll bring this in just like this. And just relax the shoulder a little bit more. Good. Just like that. Very good. You hear that?
Yeah.
You didn't know we could do that, huh?
It's the shoulders that I didn't know.
Yeah, the shoulders, the elbows. Good. Good. Gonna check this side also.
I'm gonna have you start laying face down. So as we come in first, I'm gonna have her laterally flex her head. And we have T2. And exhale all the way out. Good. There we go. Perfect. Good. Okay. So now with the ankle and feet, we want to get some movement in between all the bones here, all these metatarsals. So what I'm doing is I'm doing just a shearing type movement, just trying to open everything up and relax it. And you know, she's feeling, you know, some distraction movement in here, and that's the main thing of what I'm going for. And then when we bring the ankle up, good, good. Okay, so you get a little bit of movement in that ankle. Also, what I like to do, especially when being out of the office, I use what's called a vibra cursor, and it's more of a soft tissue technique. So I'm working on the areas right through here. So